guys, Chien-Mu here, and today I will be going over how I made a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Enjoy. So to start off, I actually have this 18mm cube that I printed in the makerspace at my school, but I suggest if you're going to make one that you print it 19mm because the average Rubik's Cube is 59mm. But after you have this, basically you just want to sand the top and bottom edges and corners down a bit because they come out a bit sharp. So I'm just gonna sort of go ahead and do that right now. So sand that. Take a nail file. There you go. So, okay, that's pretty good. Not as sanded down as the other ones, so I'm just gonna do it to all of them. I'm gonna start doing it to this corner. Some of that ABS is coming off. That's a good sign, obviously, because, okay, do that with all the edges. Okay, so I got all 6 of my sticker shades here. Probably just gonna sticker them like a normal Rubik's Cube. So, blue, green, and then white on the bottom, red, orange, and yellow. So, got my X-Acto knife here. Yep. And then I'm just gonna, let's do white first. How about that? Match that up. Not too crooked. Not bad. Let's move on. Let's do yellow since opposites are easy. Let's see. White was there, so yellow goes side. Make sure to read this on. And there you have it, 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, peace out.